So in this video, I just want to talk about setting up your project. And you can see I have an extremely messy desktop, which drives some people crazy. But what I've already done here is I have created a folder on my desktop by going right-click, new folder. And I have named it Nat Sound Hunt. Now I want to rename it right now. I'm going to rename it according to our convention, which is Nat Sound Hunt hyphen and then your first name. Okay. And then I'm going to go into it and show you what's inside. And what I have inside is I have already labeled my for audio. And this is important just to keep track of things. Right now we have a really small project, but eventually we're going to have a really large project. And so I want to show you, this will really help me put these in order because I want them in order. And my fourth optional story is winter weather. And now I'm going to do the same with my photos. I'm going to say, I'm going to rename them. So I right-clicked, I'm going up to rename. So I'm just going to do bathroom. And I just want to show you how to kind of rename these so that it makes sense because you're going to have to put these in Canvas for this assignment. So having everything organized, having everything named is really going to help you stay organized. And can I confess, I'm not the most organized person in the world. So like you, perhaps I rebel against this, but it's really important to do all this. So this is my starting point. My starting point is I have a desktop folder named correctly, and I have both my audio files and my pictures named. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start I'm going to open up my Audition. So I'm heading into this all. And I'm coming down here and I'm going to click on Adobe Audition. So I just want to tell you a couple things that I'm going to do here. One is I'm going to reset it because usually the settings are whatever I last did. So here's what this looks like right now. I'm going to go to Edit, Edit, Preferences, General. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to reset everything. And I'm going to click on it. I'm looking to see if there's another way to reset it. Nope, so I'm going to do that. And I right now am I'm clicking out of all of the learning things. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reset my workspace. So I'm going to go into Window, Workspace, and I'm going to go down to Reset to Saved Layout. Okay. So this is what mine looks like right now. Hopefully this is what yours looks like. And the next thing I'm going to do is this right now is just the program. Now I need to start a project. So I'm going to go into File, New, Multi-Track Session. And the very first thing I have to do, really important, is to make sure this is saved into my desktop folder. Otherwise, it's saved in all kinds of weird places on my hard drive. So right now it's in Documents, Adobe Audition 25.0. How would I ever find that? I wouldn't. So I'm going to go to Desktop, and then I'm going to come down here to my Nat Sound Hunt file. Here it is. I'm going to select this folder. Okay. And then this is not as essential, but I might as well change this right now. So I'm going to change my file, my project name, session name in Audition. And this is what it looks like now. Okay, so now I am ready to go.